Hello friends, we have a book this week to go along with our art lesson, and it's called Now I Know Birds. It was written by Susan Coachella, she is the author, and illustrated by Gary Britt. That means that he did the pictures for it. Here we go. What is a bird? There are many kinds of birds. There are robins, blue jays, and owls, to name a few. Just like my owl friend here, Ozzy. There are many colors of birds. A cardinal is red. A starling is black. And a goldfinch is yellow. There are also many sizes of birds. A hummingbird is very small, and an eagle is very big. An ostrich is even larger. All birds have feathers. The feathers help them fly. And the feathers help keep the birds warm. All birds hatch from eggs. The eggs are many colors and sizes. A robin's egg is blue and small. And an ostrich's egg is very big. Many birds make nests for their eggs. Different ones. They all look a little bit different. This one is in the water. Who do you think maybe made that nest? What kind of a bird? They start with a few twigs and leaves, and they hold it all together with mud. The father bird watches the nest, and the mother bird keeps her eggs warm. And soon they are ready to hatch. Crick! The baby birds are born. The baby birds are very hungry. Look at their little mouths open. Can you see that? The mother and father are very busy finding food. Looks like this one has a worm in her mouth. Baby birds eat many times a day, and they grow very fast. Soon they are ready to leave the nest. They flap their wings and fly away. They are big birds now. One day they will have a nest of their own. The end. Well, Ozzy and I hope you enjoyed the book, and I can't wait to see the art projects you make at our Zoom meeting on Thursday. Bye friends, I miss you.